Hi guys and welcome back. As you have seen in my Cooler Master GPU vertical riser, I've installed my GPU in vertical and I really like this riser, is well done, but I found out a little problem here which I don't think is related to the GPU riser but is related to my graphic card, because I don't know why Zotac used the power connectors here in the middle. Usually they should be here, so it's more easy even to connect. So I found out that these power cables here are touching constantly the RAM here. For preventing that, I just got a couple of these connectors in order to use it like so. But there is another issue here, that this part here is not going to allow me to use the adapter, so I have to modify it here. Let me show you in a minute what I mean. So as you can see guys, I cannot use this adapter here because this piece of metal here is preventing me to use it. So if I want to connect it, this won't go down and I cannot then connect to the power cable here. So what I'm going to do now is cut a little piece of here, probably up to here. I think I'll cut this piece here so I can be able to connect the adapters here then. Okay guys, after this high engineering cutting here, I basically cut half of this piece here. So let me check if the adapter is going to fit on place. I guess so. Okay, perfect. So everything's perfect. I don't care about the aesthetic here because anyway the graphic card will cover everything, so I don't care. Let me check if the other one is going to fit also. Okay, both of them are in place. So here I have the space for connecting the power cables. Okay, let's install back the graphic card and check if everything is fitting properly. Okay guys, as you can see, it fits perfectly, probably like 3 or 4 millimeters here, but everything is fine. Please keep in mind that once you cut this, it's a kind of forever mod, because of course you cannot send it back in case you have problem with that. Consider carefully before you're doing that. In my case, I have to cut it because I don't have so much space here, but probably if you have a different case, you might not need to cut this because once you install it, the GPU will be a little bit lower than this, so it's not going probably to touch the RAM. So, but if you have Asus GT 501, then this is the case. Okay, let's check if there is any issue, and so let's check the PCI speed. Okay, as we can see, no issues here, everything's working perfectly. In case you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.